Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Messenger account without Facebook. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Messenger application. Once you open Messenger, you simply need to click on forgot password and put your email address here, and then you need to click on next, and here you can receive a code via email. Click on next again, and then you need to put your code here. So let me check in my email that I receive a code. So once let me refresh that. So you can see that I receive a code. Simply need to click on that code and click on copy and put that code here, and you can see that keep me logged in and log out of other devices. So I want to keep me logged in and click on next, and if you want you can update your password, and once you update your password click on next. So this is a process by which you can recover Messenger account without Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.